Hello, my dear achievers. How are you? I know you must be fine. And yes, I'm also good. Welcome to another great session on your very own Class 9th and 10th channel. Today's session is a little different. I would say it's that session where we learn something new apart from what we do with academics, right? So to enrich your academic knowledge, it's tricks to memorize concave mirror image formation. And yes, audible and visible. Thank you, Disha. I can see Priyanshu, King, Tatleen, Vansh, Muskan there. Good evening. Good evening. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hello, Firdaus. Ashish, Neeru, Sneha, Tanu, Sushant. Hello. Hey. Nice. All right. All right. So let's wait for a few more minutes. Let your friends join. Till then, I'm going to ask you one thing. Some of your seniors are also there in this session, and you have also seen the light chapter till now, and we have covered concave mirror portion over there. How many of you think that this concave mirror image formation thing is little tricky to remember? Like we all say, make a table, stick to your room, memorize it every day, look at it every day, but still it's confusing, right? And a lot of us face problem in this. So how many of you are there who face problem in this? And by the way, I can't see the comments right now. It's okay, you keep answering. The comments will come in front of me very soon. Hey, glad to see you. Yes. All right. Tatleen says yes. Muskan, Shashank. I'm good, Shashank. SDT. A bit confusing, right? Yes, correct. Disha, you have practiced a lot. That's why you feel it like this. Correct? Yes, yes, yes. That's why. See, this is one thing which we also noticed, that a lot of students face problem in this one particular thing. See, convex mirror, it's easy. Hai na? It's always virtual, erect and diminished. Concave mein, there are multiple cases. And in every case, there is like condition, this time real inverted, magnified, real inverted, same side, real inverted. So all these things are there, right? Okay. So how much confusing is it? Let's look at it and we'll learn a trick today, right? We'll learn a trick today, and after that, it will be easier for you to at least remember those particular cases, all right? So, nice. Yes, correct, Disha. True. All right. So let's start learning about this particular trick. And by the way, that promise is still on, the 45 days thing. We'll cover all these things in 45 days, which means you want to be regular. Nice. So let's learn that, or let me just start with the most interactive question, so that I want to know how much you understand, how much you can answer, and then we'll go for the trick. All right. Nice. All right. Let's go for a simulative question. All right. Okay, let me just restart this question. And some of you might have seen this, but still, there is a story behind this. See, Lucas was on a scientific exploration near mysterious caves. And when he encountered, right? So, he entered a cave, and there is a huge sized concave mirror inside the cave to form the image. And you need to help Lucas capture the monsters, alright? Yeah, you remember this? Some of you might have seen this. So, the idea is to practice how much do we know so that we can learn the trick. Fine, okay? Only half is visible. Yeah, it's cropping. Guys, can we sort this out? Yeah, just give me 1 second. Let us sort this out. Still, it is half visible to you. I understand. Correct, Abdul. Give us 1 minute. All right. So, where did you see this? In our last live session, or you have seen this on the app? Image is complete now. Guys, I can see the image is complete. You can see the whole screen now. Nice. All right. It's okay, Lakshmi. Oh, nice. You might have seen this on the app, and once we did a session previously, and there also we used this one time. All right. So look, the monster is beyond C. Position the magic canvas to capture the image of the monster. So the deal is, Lucas has to place the canvas at a position where the image of this monster can be formed, and that's how this monster will be captured. Okay, that's the deal. Fine. Okay, SDT has seen his line session. Alright, alright. So, tell me, what should be the canvas position? Should it be at F, between C and F, at C, beyond C? So, all these are options in front of us. Come on. Between C and F. Disha says, Monisha says C and F. Muskan says C and F. C and F. Okay, alright, nice, nice. You are saying between C and F. Let's see. Nice. When object is beyond C, image is formed between C and F, right? Correct? That's true. So, and you know what? Try to notice a pattern, because in the trick, this pattern is exploited so that it can become a trick. Fine. So that's why we are doing this question. Let's see. Next. Now, where do you see the monster? He is between C and F, right? Yeah, Shashank. Laws of reflection will hold true. True. Yes. Alright. Now the monster is between C and F. Where should we place the canvas? Come on. Disha. Yes. This is a pattern. Beyond C. Tanvi, Priyanshu, SDT, Abdul, Ashish, Tavishi, Seema. Alright. Beyond C, beyond C, beyond C. I can see a lot of beyond C's. I can see some C's also. Let's see what happens if I keep it at C. So at C was wrong, no? कोई नहीं आदर्श. Let's try again. कोई दिक्कत नहीं अगर आपको समझ नहीं आता है. So that's why we are doing this question over here. Beyond C is something which all of you have said. Let's see. Nice. So the image is forming beyond C, and that's where we have put the canvas. Acha, with these two cases which we have done till now, at least the question is clear, right? Monster is there, and wherever you put the canvas, you need to capture the image of the monster so that it's it does not harm you, whatever, right? Correct? Right? Okay. Let's see the next one. He is very, very far. Correct? The monster is very, very far. Now, where should we put the canvas? Where should we put the screen? At focus, at focus. Nice, nice. Everybody's saying F, F, F. Let's see. Alright, alright. Yes. And you know what? With every question, please notice the image that is being formed over here. Right? Keep this in mind. What kind of image is being formed? Alright, let's see. If monster is at C, at center of curvature. Yes, Carrie, he is too small. Priyanshu, focus. Right? At C, correct? Alright, nice, nice. Everybody is saying at C. Let's see. Nice, very good. Very good. Monster is captured, and when the object is at C, image is also formed at C. Correct? Shashank, trick समझ में आया ना? So the reason we are doing this, so that this trick, when I tell it to you, you won't feel it like a trick. You know, you will see the pattern. Correct? So this trick is developed looking at a pattern which I want you to understand. Fine? Okay? Alright, let's see the next one. Now, the monster is at F. You need to position the canvas to capture the image of the monster. Where should we put the canvas? At infinity, between C and F. C and F, at infinity. Okay, let's see. Everybody is saying at infinity, but I think who is saying C and F? Anonymous is saying C and F, and I think Shashank was saying C and F, right? The answer is at infinity. Okay, let me just go to infinity first. Yes. Monster is captured when the object is at focus. The image is formed at infinity, right? And you also see the image, right? The image is, it's very large. Correct. All right. So that's how you have helped Lucas to capture all the monsters. Fine, nice, and study helped. So let's get back to the session and understand how to build this pattern into a trick. All right, come on guys, let's get back to the session. Yeah, all right. So Amunu, we consider this because see, parallel lines, they are neither diverging, they are nor converging. So at very far, at infinity, right, we assume that they meet, and that's what happens though. If you keep something at focus very far, you will see images being formed, right? So all right, okay, so let's move forward then. What do you notice? So all these are different patterns, different cases possible, and what we every time tell you is that you need to, this table should be on your tips, right? Correct? Yes, correct, Disha. Right? So these are all cases possible. Now let's see what is the trick. Now let's come to the point, right? So you have seen what happens, what are different cases are there, what kind of images are being formed. Now let's create, seeing this pattern and form a trick now. Okay? The table is blur, you are saying. I feel this is a net issue. Go to the video settings and increase the what do I say? Make it, I think 720p would be fine. 720, 1080 is fine, right? Muskan, it looks difficult, but understand this small trick, and you know what? When you practice this trick again and again, all the things will be very easy for you. Okay, ready? Oh, everybody ready? Now let's start, come on. So I want you first of all to imagine few points, right? Imagine few points. Between F and P, call it a 0.6. Just give numbers, give numbers. So what prior knowledge I want you to have is, I want you to know where should we put C, where should we put F, and where should we put P. And you should at least know concave mirror looks like this. There are 2 points F and there is another point C. Okay, this much you should know. Correct? Unable to see the video clear. Is there anyone else who is not able to see the video clear? I think it might be a net issue because I don't see anybody else is facing this problem. Is it? Video बहुत clear है. Rishikesh, something like that will help you. This is similar to that. Guys, I think clear है ना? It's clear. It's just I feel the video quality might be one issue. Okay? Right? Because my tech team here is also saying it's good from our side. All right. So let's move forward. Okay? Between F and P, between focus and pole, let's call it 0.6. Tick. Now you have to just move backwards in descending order. So focus will become 0.5, 5, and I want you to make this diagram and put these points in your notebook right now. All right, okay, clear now? Okay, nice, very good. So focus becomes point number 5. Let's move forward then. Between focus and center of curvature, it is becoming point number 4. So you notice, right, from between focus and pole, 6 point, and then you are moving backwards with each segment putting up a point over there, right? Between focus and pole, point number 6. Focus becomes 5. C and F between becomes 4. Then C will become 3. Correct, hai na? Then center of curvature becomes 3. Beyond C will become 2, and 1 will become infinite. Hai na? So I would say remember it like points. Correct? F and P 6. F is 5, this is 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, yet I hope all of you are making these points, है ना? It's important, because once you do it yourself, you will understand it very easily. Alright, okay. So beyond C is 2, and then 1 is at infinity. Cool. Tanu, it's a concave mirror. That is the principal axis. This is the principal axis, and we are just defining different points with numbers. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fine. Mixed of a particular mirror. Not, I would say different mirrors have different focal length. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, so before moving forward, I'm explaining this again. Please make sure that you focus and you understand this. This is what a concave mirror. It's a concave mirror. This is the principal axis. On the principal axis, there are different points. This is pole, focus, and center of curvature. This much we should know. Okay? This much we should know. Now, we are just giving numbers to it. How? You start with the highest number. So, highest number you will take is 6. 6 will be between F and P, right? It will be 6. F will become 5. Between C and F becomes 4. C becomes 3. Beyond C becomes 2, and 1 becomes infinity. Okay? Alright. This much you should understand first. Now comes, these are numbers for objects. Right? These are number, or I won't say object, these are numbers of, which you are giving to the positions. Different positions, right? 6 is the closest one. Right? 6 is the closest one, and 1 is the farthest one. So position wise you have given these numbers. Okay? Alright. Let's move forward then. Let's understand what kind of image will be formed when the object is at position 1. Notice here very carefully. When the object is at position 1. So how will you know that where the image will be formed? See, your object is at infinity, at position 1. Take, right? Now, what will you do? You will take the number 6. You will take the number 6 and subtract this object position number from that. Means this will become 6 minus 1. Means it will become 5. Right? It will become 5. 6 minus 1 you will do, and this will be 5. So this became your image position. Okay? It became your image position. Alright. So image position became at focus. So this was an easy bit. Right? This was an easy bit. Fine. Alright. Now comes a question of image size. Right? Of image size. Sir, we always tend to forget, will it be magnified or it will be diminished or what, right? Okay? So what you can do? You can see, 5 is comparatively much greater than 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So difference is a lot. At least the numbers which you have chosen, in which if you think 5 and 1, they are far apart. The difference is huge. Means image size is highly diminished. Okay? Alright, getting this? Highly diminished. The reason we are using word highly is because this difference is very much. 5 is very much greater than 1, at least from the numbers which you have chosen. You have chosen 1 to 6. So 5 and 1, they are very far. Means image will be highly diminished. Take. Alright. And practice more. Let's do for other positions and you will understand this trick very easily. Correct? Now let's take beyond C. Now beyond C ke liye, this 6 number is very important. Beyond C ke liye, what you will do? This position is 2. object is kept at beyond C, means it is kept at 2. Fine, this is my object. Okay. Meaning of diminished ऋषिकेश, it means छोटा, है ना? Image का size छोटा है, it's diminished. Alright, now your object is at 2. Can you tell me the number for image position? And I think, nice, correct Disha. Diminished matlab small, yes. Can someone tell me number for the image position? हाँ Disha, point size भी कह सकते हैं. 4, right? And how did you find 4? Same thing, sir. We took this 2. We subtracted this from 6 and we got 4, right? So image will be formed between C and F, and that's how the ray diagram will look. Every time, see, ray diagram ke liye na, there is no trick as such. If you know these things, what will you do? You will first make the object, correct? You will first make the object. You know from this table, from this trick where the image would be. You will draw the image and then you will make rays to form image at that point. That's how, this is the trick for ray diagrams, right? Ray diagram mein, don't assume that I'll make a ray nicely and it will be a good thing. So you should know first of all where the image should be. So I will say make the things and then draw rays accordingly, the special rays. Okay? So Lakshmi, this thing will come in questions. Hai na? Object, where the object is kept. So these are different cases. So that's how you would know. Correct? So 4 is coming, and 4 is what? 4 is between C and F. So that's why 4 is between C and F. Alright. Now comes the question. Again, image size, if you think. So you would see that 4 is more than 2. At least the difference is less than 1 and 5. No. First it was 5 and 1. We said 5 is very much big than 1. Means highly diminished. Now it is 4 and 2. This difference is less. So that's why it will be diminished only. Okay? Right? It will be diminished only. Yeah. Numerical will do on this. Don't worry. Correct? Right? So, getting a hang of this trick, fine. So, this was about position 2. Let's see at C. Now, C, the number for center of curvature is 3, right? The number for center of curvature is 3. So, what we said? The number is 3. Alright, the object is kept at 3. Means the image will be at what number? At what number? Three, correct Sneha, right? Oh, nice Chinmay. It will be at 3. How? Sir, we took this 3. We said 6 minus 3 and the answer came out to be 3. And 3 position is for center of curvature. That's why we are saying the image will be at center of curvature. And if you want to draw the ray diagram, my suggestion to you is make the object, make the image and then draw the rays like this. Kaam khatam. Simple. That's a trick for ray diagrams also. You should know where the object should be, you should know where the image should be and draw the rays accordingly. The special rays. Tick. Fine. Alright. So this was fine. Now comes the question of image size. See, when 1 and 5 was there, the difference was very much. And we said it's a highly diminished. When 2 and 4 were there, the difference was not that much. So we said it is diminished. Now it is 3 and 3. Both are equal. Equal. That's why. Yes, Tabishi, correct. So that's why it will be 3 is equal to 3. Means image size is equal to object size. The same size image will be formed. Correct? Right? Easy. Alright. Chalo, theek hai. Let's move forward. Let's see what else we can do. Kind of Disha. Yes. Yeah, please Parth. Right? Okay. Let's see. Between C and F. Acha, what is the number for between C and F? Number for between C and F? Parth, doubt pucho beta. It's 4, right? Alright. So you are saying it's 4. Okay. Between C and F, the answer is, the number is 4. Correct. Ashish, it's not 2. 2 is beyond C. And Parth, ask the doubt. Don't just say doubt. Value of pi. I feel this doubt is not related, but still, see, in numbers you want to say 3.14. If you want to go into degrees, you say pi is 180 degrees, right? Alright, so the number is 4. Now you want to find the image position. Same thing. 6 minus of 4, we get 2, means the image is going to be beyond C. Right? 6 minus 4, you get what? You get 2, and means the image is going to be beyond center of curvature. Correct? True. Hai na? Beyond C. Theek. Alright. Now again, let's come to the size. Now what do you see? 4 is more than 2. Previously, if you notice, we were talking about object position and image position. If image position is, the number for image position is more than object position, it is diminished. But here what is happening? Object position number is more than image position number. It is magnified now. Okay? It will be enlarged. 4 is more than 2, and that's why the image is enlarged. Alright? Okay? True. Till here it's fine. Nice. So you are getting a hang of it, and you will see a pattern again generating over here. At focus is what? What number is for focus? What number is for focus? Focus किस number पे? 5. Yes, correct, Muskan. Adarsh, nice. Parth, bio session will be a better place to ask the question, है ना? I think cellulose digestion के लिए appendix होता है, but not working in humans. लेकिन Ankita and Aishwarya ma'am are the better person to answer this. ठीक है? 5 is focus. All right, nice. So at F, we say the object position is at number 5. Now you can say, if object position is number 5, you would know that image will be 6 minus 5. That means 1, and 1 is for infinity, right? At infinity. So that's why at infinity. Now if you think, sir, what about size? 5 is coming on this side. 5 is much greater than 1. Object number is much greater than the image position number. It means it will be highly enlarged, right? Highly. So do you see the pattern? When we are using word highly, when we are using only diminished, when we are saying enlarged, when we are saying highly enlarged. So there is a pattern to all these things, right? Correct. Sonal, in all these cases, this was one problem. But if you ask me, real or inverted? Always real inverted, right? See, in all these positions, the image is real inverted. Now, so we have done all these. Now this one between P and F is one small exception, right? It's a small exception. हाँ दिशा, रेस को मिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Object and image you should know, and then you just draw ray. That's okay. Okay? So till here it's all real inverted. Now there is one slight exception, that is between pole and focus. Now your object is at 6. Now your object is at 6. It's an exception. This is one exception. Okay? And we learned a lot about exceptions. Though. If there is only 1-2 exception, we remember them. If there are a lot of exceptions, we forget about them. So in this whole pattern, there is one exception. I'm saying, just remember this one, right? So what will happen here? Your object is at 6, but your image will be inside the mirror, right? Correct? Between, I would say, enlarged. So this is one small misconception. When the object is between pole and focus, you don't get a real inverted image, because on the same side of the mirror, the rays cannot meet. They meet inside the mirror, right? It becomes a virtual image, it becomes an erect image, and it becomes a enlarged or magnified image, right? So this was one small misconception. Otherwise, the pattern holds true for the rest of all the things. Real inverted rahega same, it will remain same. The only thing you want to remember is the size, and you know what? The trick will take care of it. Fine. All right. So that's how you are supposed to remember this table. Take. And I'm saying practice it. So the reason I wanted to take this kind of a session is because when you make a table like this and stick it on your wall and you take a look every day, it's not that intuitive, right? It does not feel that I have practiced it or I have learned it. Lekin kya hoga na? What will happen when you make this kind of a trick and you practice it? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now object position -6. You get everything. So this trick will help you to remember it, and then this table will make sense. है ना? You won't have to cram it. Okay? It will be very easy. Bas 2-3 बार revise कर लो, then it will be very easy. Right? So that's why this is very important. See, I'm telling you every time there will be a lot of questions based on different cases of concave mirror image formation. You should know these tables. They will help you in ray diagrams also. They will help you in a lot of questions also. Okay? So that's why very easy. Use the trick. It will be all sorted. So with this, I would say I would give you a homework question. It says, and you can take the screenshot. Huh? Your senior is saying practice, practice, practice. Huh? Thank you, Tanvi. Oh, nice, Nasira. Very good. All right, take in the screenshot and you can know the answers in the comment section. Fine. Oh, it's okay, Ashish. The video is there on the channel. So, guys, we tell this quite often, and you know that, right? We've got you covered. Don't worry about that. Next will be light reflection and refraction, mirror formula and magnification. So this is a toughie, I would say. A kind of tough session which a lot of students are scared of. Mirror formula, sir, magnification. We get confused in numericals. We get confused in the concepts. We'll learn it like this. Don't worry about that, huh? In real life, Lakshmi, mirrors, no. It's not tough. It's not tough. You just need to understand it. Don't worry, I'll teach you in a way that you'll understand it. Don't worry about that. Correct? Practice me easy. So, join the Telegram session, guys, because all the notes, the PDF of the notes you will get on this channel, and you will get regular updates of sessions, of quizzes, and all the interesting activities. Okay? Yes, don't worry, don't worry. I'll try my best to make all the things easy for you. Yeah, Vaibhavi, definitely. That is on my list. Path focus is a point where the parallel rays from infinity coming, they reflect and they converge at a point on the concave mirror, that is focus. Hai na? So rays either appear to be meeting at focus or they really meet at focus. Okay? To convex concave, this is the thing. When the position is at pole, pole पे फिर कुछ नहीं होगा. I mean, if pole is what? A point on the mirror, no. If you just make a mark on the mirror, then what do you see? Nothing, na? Alright. By the way, BST, the Byju scholarship test, every Sunday, you can take it. And you know about this special feature about the app, that's fine. And there's a link in the description. You can try it. It's free. By the way, like, share and subscribe. That's something which, you know, we don't ask often, but we do, right? Okay? Infinity means path very far. Right? Alright guys, don't worry. We'll meet again next time in another amazing session. Until then, bye-bye. Yes, missile. Bye everyone.